Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review of this lovely, high-precision, low-hour Monarch 10 EE tool room lathe, serial number EE48610. This happens to be our stock number 627. We're going to go ahead and run this video over the next few minutes and run through all of the tooling and everything that comes complete with this machine. Offered to you by Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. Let's go ahead and turn it on, Frankie. This machine goes from 0 to 2,000 RPM, infinitely variable.
That's 500.
500 RPM.
Okay.
800 up to 1,000 RPM. 1,500 RPMs. This machine goes from 0 to 2,000 RPM, infinitely variable. It has 60-inch threads and 50-inch feeds. The inch threads go from 3 to 160 TPI. It's a 5 horsepower main drive motor. This machine will actually do 13.5 over the bed, swing, 7 inches swing over the cross slide, and 20 inches between centers. It's an American classic, Monarch 10 EE. Looks like Frankie's engaging the feeds.
Half nut.
Engaging the half nut. I'm going to come down and show them the dials and everything on this machine and the ways. All right. A little bit of a close-up here. This Monarch 10 EE is really in excellent shape. It's a high-precision tool room lathe. It runs great and has very limited use. The machine is going to be complete with a Sorgen, yeah that's right, a Sorgen, a true American classic, 5C collet chuck. It's an American classic Sorgen, 5C collet chuck. We have a new Dorian D25 AXA wedge style quick change tool post with 5 holders. Here's the number 1 holder. And here are 4 more, so 5 altogether. We're also including a 7¼ inch buck 3-jaw chuck. That's an adjustable buck 3-jaw chuck. The Jacobs chuck that came out of this box is a super precision heavy duty ball bearing. It's a 0.5 inch with the number 2 Morse taper mount. We have all the necessary chuck wrenches, spanner wrenches, and the original 10 EE tool makers and manufacturing lathe operator's manual. It covers parts and instructions. The machine's also equipped with a coolant pump and a chip pan, all complete. The voltage on this machine is currently at 440 volts. If your shop is only running at 220 volts, a step-up transformer may be required. Again, it's a 5 horsepower main drive, D13 Camlock spindle. I want to show you these ways before we get too far away. The overall weight of the machine is 2,500 pounds. Oh, beauty. Let me adjust the camera here. I'm kind of at a bad angle. Okay. Getting a nice close-up on the ways near the headstock. General condition shot from the rear. I'd like to show them the cross light as well. So this is an extremely rare, hard to find machine in this condition, and we're very honored to have it presented to you. On behalf of Machinery Consultants, if there's any questions we can help answer on this machine, please feel free to let us know. Here's the close-up on the cross slide, the ways, the handle. We're located in Salt Lake City, Utah. Again, it's www.machineryconsultants.com. Thanks again for your review. Have a great day.